Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening YouTube, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a button where it says You. Just beside the subscription, tap on the button where it says You at the bottom right corner, and you'll land on this interface. Again, you'll be required to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen on this interface at the top right. And over here, guys, tap on the general option, which is available for us at the top of the screen just above the accounts. And over here you can see the third option where it says appearance. Tap on it and you'll land over here. Now in order to turn off dark mode on YouTube, you can tap on the light theme and you can see the dark mode on YouTube will be turned off. Or if your device's theme is on light mode, you can just choose the use device theme. Now in order to turn off the dark mode, just tap on the light theme and your dark mode on YouTube will be turned off. And there, guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.